Snowflake, snowflake in the sky. Snowflake, snowflake dancing by. Here is a really super simple and quick paper craft, snowflake paper craft that you can do with your students in class, and a chant to combine with it to sing this Christmas time. If you're a language teacher and you're looking for something really quick and easy to do with your students, give this a go. So first of all, let's make the snowflake. All you need for this snowflake are 2 pieces of paper or card, a pair of scissors, children's scissors, and a stapler. So no glue, no paint, no mess, no fuss. All you need to do then is just to start folding, or getting your students to fold the paper like so. So from one side to the other, folding one way and the other, basically making like a fan kind of shape. Let's see, so it's like that, yes, and just do it with the other side, with the other piece of paper as well. Then you're just going to fold them in half like that. There you've got your fan, you see. You're going to cut here, cut up here, like this, cut like this, and then cut a little triangle also in the middle. And there you have it. Okay, so you're going to do 2 pieces of paper like that. I've got one that I did just a minute ago like that. So I've got my 2 pieces here. Then you're just going to put them together. So I'm going to put this one here and this one here, like so. You're going to staple them together. Let's just staple them in the middle like this. Okay, I've stapled those there. And then all you need to do is to fan it out. So I'm just going to fan this part up here and this part here, and then just staple them. As you fan it, you staple. As you fan, you staple. There we go. Let me just do that here. So you're going to do 4 staples on all sides. Can you see? It's starting to come together. Really simple. So you're not spending the whole hour making a craft in class, just 5 minutes. And it's so easy that your students can do it by themselves too. And there, in just a few seconds, you've got your little paper snowflake all ready for the chant. So you have your little snowflakes like this. Snowflake, snowflake in the sky. Snowflake, snowflake flying by. Snowflake, snowflake turn around. Snowflake, snowflake on the ground. Snowflake, snowflake on my toes. Snowflake, snowflake on my nose. Snowflake, snowflake in my hair. Snowflake, snowflake everywhere. Really simple craft to make in 5 minutes. Sing the chant and ba-bum, ba-dum, ba-bum, you have a little chant and performance to do at Christmas time with your young language learners. Give it a go. I hope you find it helpful, and remember, be theatrical.